Hello guys, today we have here this ESCLinker and we'll be talking about what is that and how to use it. As you can see, this is an USB device and here we have a pinout 3 pins where the bottom one is ground, then we have PD2, PD3 and basically this device is almost an Arduino board. Um, it's almost the same except for the fact that we have just two digital pins exposed. So here PD2 and 3 is actually pin number 2 and pin number 3. So you can use it as an Arduino board, but you have only two pin outputs. And also you can see here we have more pads, especially those 6, which is actually this header, and 4 of those pins are actually pin number 13, 12, 11 and 10. So let's say that this Arduino board has 6 digital pins comparing to this, which is full Arduino board. And this device is used to read an ESC. You connect here the ESC and you can read it through BLHeli 32. By the way, here we have a manual, let's say. It's not very helpful, but just a bit maybe. What we can see here, so they say here something about 4W firmware, software upgradable via Arduino or BLHeli. We also have here the pinout, D3, D2, ground, and this is also quite important. They say use define nano, so it looks like this is Arduino Nano. Okay, and nothing more. Good. Now, before you can read an ESC, we need to program this thing. For that, you need to download the latest BLHeli 33 software. Then you connect this device and go to Make Interfaces tab, and here we need to select the COM port, which is 14 in my case, and we click this button, Arduino 4-way interface. We click OK, and now we need to choose a file here, and like Amari says, what files should you use, but if we look closely at the file name, then we have here PD3, PD2, and actually those are those digital pins exposed, so obviously the third file is the one that should be flashed. We choose it, we say yes here, and we can see that everything worked well. Okay, so now we have this board flashed with the latest 4-way interface software, and now you can connect an ESC. Select here the port, click connect, and read setup. In my case, I don't have an ESC connected, so I won't click this button, but believe me, it works. Basically, that's all. Actually, let me show you how this works. So we choose the port, click connect, then read setup, and now we need to connect the power to the AC. Okay, it worked. Bye.